these changing times of where education is experiencing some paradigm shift, how important do you think these discourses are to just have these exchange of ideas?
I think these kind of discourses are very relevant because education and the society at large is changing very rapidly, and it's becoming increasingly difficult for educators to keep in touch with what is happening. So for us, it's a very perplexing time for the educators, because the generations are changing very fast. The technology is developing so much. Who would have even thought maybe 15 years down the line that before that this technology is going to become so important and these tools are so important. So I think these kind of discourse are absolutely essential, because we're all grappling with the same problems, and there's a lot to be said for at the end of the day, we are social beings, and understanding and connecting with each other to understand what the problems and the solutions that could work out goes a long way.
If you see globally, I'm sure we must explore a lot of schools globally. So where do you think presently we stand as Indians?
I think that there is a lot that can happen, because see, what is a huge advantage for India is our young population. We have one of the largest populations of young children and young people work in the workplace, and that speaks for a lot for itself. I think the challenges that our education system has to significantly change. When we talk about the Viksit Bharat, where does the progress happen? When you have greater number of jobs in the tertiary sector, who is going to create those jobs? Those jobs are going to get created when people have those innovative entrepreneurial mindset. How do we get those mindsets? We get those mindsets by moving away from content and going more towards conceptual understanding and building competencies and skills. So of course, the education system has a lot to do. It is what is the building block of the nation. And I think it's very important for us to move away from content based teaching and learning, and it's only then that we can really fulfill the dream of a Viksit Bharat.